Hello and welcome back to our budget-friendly car maintenance. We are happy that you're here. Today we are going to service this 2008 Volvo. The car has more than 176,000 miles. The owners are experiencing poor performance. Stay tuned and you will see what we discovered while servicing this Volvo. In the next 10 minutes we will share with you why these cars are built to last forever. First thing first, let's scan the computer module with our professional OBD scanner. It will give a better idea on what is going wrong with the car. What we suspected is coming to be true. The car has developed engine misfire on cylinder 2 and all that engine noise is due to this issue. Basically, the cylinder 2 is not performing at all. The simplest way to check would be switching the coil positions and then rerun the OBD scanner. If the misfire will be noticed on the other cylinder, that means the issue is the coil is no longer working. Since we are here, we'll do a visual check of the timing belt as well. Please take a moment to like this video, subscribe to my channel and share with your friends. Thank you. As we mentioned at the beginning of this project, the surprises are endless here on this car. The spark plugs are the original ones since the car left the factory. But it doesn't end here. The timing belt as well is the original one. Water pump, alternator, starter and everything that we can see under the hood is the original from factory. Whoever drove this car has lifted the hood just to change the oil and the battery. That's it. Definitely, Volvo knows how to build cars. After 176,000 miles, this car has all the factory equipment on and the only issue so far is a coil gone bad. This is amazing, isn't it? If you want your car to run smoothly and keep the budget friendly, just reach out to us. We are located in Springfield, Virginia. Let's get back to work. We'll replace the spark plugs and the coil that was no longer working. Just a reminder, the brands that we use are not a sponsor for our projects. It will be nice to have one, but for the moment we do rely only on the owner's preference and budget. We do suggest that if you do your own project, do some research on the correct part number and read other folks' reviews online. Talking about reviews, please consider a like or a comment with your own experience. I would love to read and will reply. Thank you. If you like to see the next project, please consider subscribing to this channel or consider sharing with your friend that live nearby and are having hard time to find trusted and experienced folks. Thank you. It is time to clear any error that the module kept during the service and making sure that everything is in place. We strongly advise that keeping up-to-date maintenance will make your car run better and longer without breaking the bank. We do perform a budget-friendly maintenance. The goal for our content here is to prove our experience and earn trust to service your car. Thank you if you consider. Also, we do perform a body shop service as well. In this part of the video, we will fix the passenger front door window. The glass has fallen from the motor and is not opening and closing properly. If you made it till this far, thank you for watching. There's not too much to comment till the end of the video. Please consider my other videos on the channel as another project is under review. Thank you. If you like our DIY video contents, please like this video or let us know in the comments what you would like to be added. Thank you.
Tutto, tutto,